I know. I know I haven't posted in the longest of times. I just haven't been posting around. That's on me. Um, oh, you're here.
It's the right code. One sec, I get light.
Okay. So no, I haven't posted in a while. I don't know. I just haven't been posting. But today I want to show you something. Animal Company added something new for an update. Oh, hey, Aspect. I can't see your body, so
Hello.
I can only see your stuff.
Why?
I don't know. So I want to show you guys something that they added. Hold up, wait for me, bro.
Wait, I'll show them what the broccoli is so cool. I have a tiny bag. Because my other bag has too much.
There you go.
I have one pink. Watch this. This is so Sigma. Oh, Sigma boy. Pink one.
I have one with the full backpack of broccolis.
I have a full blue bag of them.
So look,
Of, like, green
as you guys
and
can see,
pinks.
this is a stash thing. You can store stuff, and everything will save. You guys see how some.
Hello.
So look, so the green ones make you bigger. The pink ones make you or purple ones make you smaller. I have a whole backpack now. So me and Aspect are gonna go show you guys around and show you him. So come on,
Wait,
Aspect.
I'm trying to grab my bag and it's flying away.
Just get it, bro. I got you.
I'm too short.
Oh.
I'm such a shorty. I know I am baby. Nah.
Okay, bro. Yeah, guys, just don't mind my friend. He's a little acoustic.
You know you baby.
Bro, Aspect, what was that noise you just made? I can't hit you. You gotta talk to the watch. You're too far from me.
Hello guys, so today we are going to go get lost in IKEA.
What? Where is Aspect? I don't see Aspect. All I see is like Aspect.
Hello.
Ever since I was a G, I would have weak.
This is the way you go. You go to the left and you go wee. Where are you going? You went the wrong way, bro.
Oh yeah, my bad.
You go up roof is the best spot.
My thing is stuck. I'm stuck. Ah! Ah! And as you guys can see, we made it.
Yeah, man. We made it.
Yo, your voice echoes so much. Shut up. So, you can see, we got all these stuff. There's a whole planet with purple crystals. I'm gonna go mine it right now. This will be loud, so you might want to lower your volume. I can't get this one. Aspect. Bro, this guy's so tiny. So now, as you guys can see, I can just kind of, I'm gonna just steal him from Aspect real quick. I'm gonna just steal him. I'm just picking every single one of them up. Just take every single one. Where did Aspect go? Where did the wild Aspect go, bro? I lost him.
I woke up as a YN.
Hawaiian. Where did you go?
What portal?
What?
Just take two pink ones and then you go to the homes looking thing.
Oh, you take a what? Which one?
First, there's this one
Yeah, I see it, but do you want me to take a broccoli? so small.
2 pink broccolis for the minute.
Oh, 2. I thought he said 1. What is this? Oh my god. Ah! Yo! I'm a giant!
You don't die from landmines. You can literally touch a landmine. You don't die. Oh my god, leave me alone!
Where's the ogre? Can I stomp on the ogre? Can the ogre still kill me?
I don't know.
I'm getting out the map. What you talking about, bro? I'm getting out the map. I'm not in the map anymore. Oh, where am I at, bro? Ah! Aspect, I turned small and I'm out of the map. Never mind, I'm back. Oh, Whippy! Oh, fuck.
I'm bringing the ogre to spawn. Help bring the ogre to spawn with me.
I landed right in front of it. Bro, I'm so slow. Hold on, let me go drop off my backpack real quick so I can be faster. So yeah, guys, that's basically kind of just a little... I just wanted to show you how that is. So yeah, that's basically all it. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm back in here. I want to show you something. So I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna try. So let me put this on my head. So I'm gonna grab both of these. I'm gonna grab both these broccolis. Actually, so eat these. Something I found out just now about an aspect that apparently if I go through here, it takes me back home. But I've seen something else over here. Look at what's this? What is this? What does this take me? Can I go? I can't go. See, look at that. It does. I'm small. Do I have to take another one? Can I take another one? I can get even smaller. How small am I getting, bro? Okay, how small do I have to be to get in here? How? Can I get even more smaller? Can I even pick this thing up? Oh my! Don't tell me. I just gotta do this. I'm super small.
You're at the low gravity?
Yep.
I kind of lost my leg.
Yo. I don't see anything. I can't see anything. Hiya.
I'm gonna try to get a graphic.
What? Eat it. Yo, I'm like, I can't, I'm tiny. I'm like really tiny. I want back home. Bring me back home. Oh!